I wanted a really nice welcome sign for the Easter, spring, and summer season that I can put in the flower pot by the front of my house. So what do? I take a trip to Dollar Tree, of course. I found this carrot welcome sign, which was really thick and sturdy. That's why it was $3. I bought a piece of wood and a trellis. I hot glued it together and I have a really nice sign for the front of the house, which I can take in and out easily when I want to water the plant. You don't even need to do that because the actual sign will not be in the dirt. But it was really inexpensive and I think it looks really nice. I'm going to show you that. Thanks for watching today. I hope you check out the rest of my channel and I hope you have a great day.